This is a spearmint oil kit. It is 100% natural ingredients, no additives, not tested on animals, non GMO, and it's a real nice kit. You can use this in diffusers and humidifiers. You can use it as a hair care product to add it to your conditioner, skincare. You just you can add it to your skincare products. You can use it in a massage oil with a carrier oil on it to soothe muscles, and you can add a few drops to your bath water or add it to a hot compress. It's really nice, and I would call it a kit because it's got a lot of stuff with it. That is a 100 milliliter bottle of the spearmint oil, and it comes with this little sticky to keep track of it. And then it comes with this dropper that fits. You can unscrew the lid and put that dropper, and they package it so nice that it's got some styrofoam around that dropper, and that dropper is labeled in the milliliters. And then you also get, along with the big bottle, you also get a small bottle, a little travel size bottle that is 10 milliliters, and it's also got its own dropper. Real nice. And by the way, these are really high quality accessories that really are with it. And then another nice thing they have is you've got this little instruction book with some uses that you can do, and it's got a real handy chart in it um, that is a dilution guide that you don't ever see that with any other products. This is really nice. It's very high quality, and you can get this at a really fair price, and I don't think you're going to be disappointed in it. Go ahead, pick one up, give it a try. Let me know what you think.